Here's how to find ZTF light curves and make plots of them with error bars. From the main IRSA page, let's go to the catalogs. In the ZTF data, we're going to use the most recent catalog, select. I know that this is going to be an interesting source. I'm going to put in FHK446, run query. So for the default search radius that I asked it to search, it found 10 sources, but they're all really close together on the sky. This is the source in which I'm interested. So if I click and drag here and then further filter down, it looks like there's 5 different sources. They are actually all that same source on the sky. But let's look at what it's giving us here. R filter, G filter, G filter, R filter, I filter. 1080 observations, 58 observations, 683, 110, and 101. So this is going to be the most useful light curve because it's our band with the most observations. So let's take that one. I'm going to tick the box here and tell it go to the time series tool. I could download just this table, but I'm going to click on that object ID and send it to the time series tool. So here's the light curve. Magnitude is a function of time. In order to add error bars, go here, toggle that switch, and tell it to add the error bars here. So that's the light curve with error bars. Whether or not I have error bars, I can go to the period search tool, tell it to calculate the periodogram. If you just take the defaults, it actually does pretty well with just the defaults. There's the periodogram that it calculated. I can interactively click, phase the light curve. That looks pretty good actually, except that period. There's the phase folded data. That's the original light curve. And I can investigate this by saying, okay, that's an outlier. That is this image. Is this image likely to be affected by, say, a cosmic ray or some other reason why this point is an outlier? Because it's pulled the individual images for me here, and then I can explore the individual images that lead to those individual measurements.